Well, good evening, everyone. I'll keep it extremely short. I just want to say a huge congratulations to Pack Pioneers seniors. Over the 9 years, let's join hands together. We can succeed. You've stuck to that vision, and I have a few comments that I wrote down in celebration of you being a helping hand. In the distance, a lonely bell tolls a solemn beat for a weary stranger who has lost a foothold on life's road that's steep. But with a helping hand, she can get up on her feet again. Whenever we feel troubled by life's many tolls and feel we have been beaten beyond anyone's repair, exhausted by circumstances over which we have no control, but know that with a helping hand, we can make another stand. On our life's journey, if we chance to meet a weary stranger who can use a helping hand, let us hold out ours to give her the strength to carry on. In doing this kind deed, she will return the favor in her times of need. And this is what Pack Pioneers is all about, so congratulations.
Good evening, everyone. 1 minute में 1 घंटे को बोलने के लिए कहा गया है, तो I don't know how I'm going to do that, but I want to say this to you. कई बारी जब मैं ऐसे कोई भी इवेंट पे आता हूँ तो मुझे लगता है जैसे एक सपना देख रहा होता हूँ. I came to Canada on January 15, 2000, and I still feel, and many of us are first generation immigrant. When we think about it, how we were able to come to the stage to become MPPs, I want to share with you, it is all because of the people who are in this room and around. When I started this journey, my colleague Miriam Amzad was the one. She introduced me with the community once. And then Sahara Seniors, Kalam Foundation, Tamil Seniors. Many of you were there. The reason I said this to you, if you look at a very big tree who can give you a fruit, shade, or flowers, it didn't happen overnight. It happened because of the effort of the community. So I just want to say, Pack Pioneers, you're doing an incredible job. मैं ऊपर वाले से यही उम्मीद करता हूँ कि जितने भी लोग हैं जो आपके साथ पहले दिन से जुड़े और आप भी जुड़े हुए हैं, thank you to each one of you. Because of you, Pack Pioneers is doing so well, and please continue doing it. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया.
Good evening, everyone. Assalamu alaikum, Sat Sri Akal, Namaste, Wanakam, everyone. Thank you so much to Pack Pioneer organization for recognizing all of us here on the stage this evening. Thank you to Dr. Masoom Shah Sahab, Sister Tehmeena, Brother Naveed for their incredible leadership and their children, especially the volunteers who have each and every day have come out, especially during the difficult times of COVID, and continued working, especially for our seniors. So thank you so much to Pack Pioneer, and continue the great work you are doing in our community, regardless of race, religion, color of your skin. You all are welcome at Pack Pioneer. Please continue to support Pack Pioneer. They are one of the phenomenal organizations in our community. So thank you so much to the incredible leadership and the board of directors of Pack Pioneer. Continue the great work. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.
Good evening, everyone. I'm really very happy to join you today, and I always have the honor to join Pack Pioneer since I think 6 years now since I started getting to know you, and I admire very much the work you do and how you manage to get the community together. And I'm not psychiatric or anything, but the best advice I can give you is find something you like, and when you are kind of under stress or depressed, just go and do it. Drawing, walking, sport, anything like nature. Find something you like to do, and when you feel stressed out, just cut everything and go and do it for 2-3 hours. You will be relieved. I do the same, and of course, getting together with friends like this, kind of grouping, talking, expressing different opinions, help to relieve pressure. So thank you very much, Pack Pioneer. I really appreciate your work.
59 seconds.
All right, let's do it. 59 seconds. Good evening, everyone, and it's wonderful to be here. What a delight with the Pack Pioneers, and of course the 9th anniversary of Fungama. So everybody should be very excited. Happy mood. You know what? They talk about the Oscars is tonight. Fungama's tonight. Yeah, this is where the awards are being handed out. So it's a celebration of all of us coming together. I was talking to a group here about the weather. Of course, we always talk about the weather in Canada. It is snowy outside. We want to get rid of the snow. I'm blaming the provincial government on this one, right? You're in charge. No, I thought it was provincial. But with the snow, what was interesting is that we love to take pictures and we send it back home. They love to see the snow. And I said, yeah, and the picture snow's good. Or from behind the window when you're in your house. But not so good when you have to shovel all of that snow, right? But you know what? All kidding aside, what Pack Pioneers and to Mina, Naveed, Dr. Sean, I have to give a shout out to Manam. Manam back there, it's her birthday. Happy birthday, Manam. He's always here. But what Pack Pioneers and what all of us coming together here and all the different seniors groups is because, like those pictures that we send back home, when you talk about the food and the language and the culture and the music and the poetry and everything that gives us that bond, that's what Canada's all about. That's why we feel special. We love this country. You know what? We can always do better, but we love this country. And Pack Pioneers shows us how much we have love for this country, but also we still hold deep ties to our culture, our heritage from back home. And that's why we all come together, we celebrate, we have a good time, and I want to thank Pack Pioneers for providing those great times like we're having tonight, now and well into many more years in the future. Thank you.